Here's a 1973 Ford F100 regular cab, unique especially in classics. 360 V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with a C6 automatic transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this front grille. Bright work chrome. Looks like grabber blue in color. And it will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics, be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. See the Ford Motor Company wheel covers. Let's take a look down this passenger side. We do have a few imperfections in the paint, front fender, little dingers here. And there are some spots, a little bit of erosion you can see in the bottom of those rockers. And I'll kind of point out what I see as we walk around here. Again, take your time looking through all the still pictures. Cab corners a little bit. Not bad though, and I noticed it did have some above the wheel. Well back here, there is a sheet metal piece, previous owner. Intended to probably replace that. There's also some service manuals, shop manuals if you will, and then a box of receipts. And going through those receipts, previous owner, new brakes, rotors, calipers, shoes, the new Holley 600 carbon. This one does have dual exhaust with headers, and interior has been replaced. And we'll get around to the interior and underneath the hood in just a bit. First off, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. So we take a look in the box there with the bed mat. You'll be able to see a picture underneath the bed mat in with the still pictures. There you can see your dual exhaust coming out below the bumper. And those still pictures, again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through them. Appears there was a topper on this truck once upon a time. And let's look down this driver's side from the rear to the front. Again, a little bit above the wheel wells here. Lower rockers. Paint has a nice shine to it. Fun truck for any local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Just want an old 70s classic Ford. Here you go. Door panels. You'll be able to see the door tag in with the still pictures. You want to do any decoding there? I did notice, looks like we do have a dead man switch. Battery shut off right there. Kind of a camel or neutral colored bench seat. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. Notice it seems like you pump it a couple times. Spin it over, it starts right up. All right. Looks like oil pressure gauge is working. Fuel gauge is moving. It was a cold start, so I don't expect temp to be up. Looks good. All right, top of the dash. I did not have it's got an aftermarket radio here. I have not had that fire up. Did not get that to power up. Headliner. Little rumble coming out of that V8. Nothing too crazy over the top. Again, 360. Alright, hood release, I believe, is inside. Let's pop this hood. If I can get this one-handed or not here. Tell you what, it's probably going to be a two-hander. Let me get the hood popped, we'll check out the engine bay. Underside of the hood. Here's that engine bay. As you can see, power steering, power brakes, come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Consult with your sales associate, 507-386-1726. That may be extendable out to 10 years. All those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1973 Ford F100 pickup truck, finished in blue. This is an automatic on the column, so it is an easy to drive truck. We have what looks like a retro sound style radio in the dash. It does not power up. Our turn signal indicators are working. You do manually shut them off after turning. Oil pressure is up at 3/4 of the gauge. Fuel is about 1/8 of the tank. Alternator is reading just over half, which means it is charging. The temperature is about 1/3 of the way up the gauge. There's a little bit of wind noise coming from the front quarter window on the door here. Our blower motor works well. There is a tachometer mounted to the column that does not function. Nice red and pickup truck. Feels as it should. Going down the road, I let go of the wheel. Truck stays right in the lane. Our brakes are working well. Windshield wipers also working on this truck. Corners properly for the vintage and model of truck. Kick down working well on that transmission. Shifts feel good. Comfortable vinyl bench seat in this truck. Looks like newer carpet. Good running F100. Take a look at all the pictures and read all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.